Sorry? Don't get smart baby, okay? This is what happens when you try to touch everything in the house.
Free, don't touch, then you won't do it. Last pizza.
Game over! You want peace, right? Is peace treated? Huh? You been good? You be good? You be good? You be good? Yeah, it's a peace treated. Alright. You be good? You be good, baby? Look, I got your camera. You be good, baby? Yeah, right? Say hi. Say hi. You be good, baby? Alright, bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, caught you on camera. Look at that. Yeah, yes, bye-bye. This is how you discipline a baby that just don't want to listen. He gonna listen now after that one. All right, it's wrong. People can say it's wrong, but hey, that's just one way where you don't have to tap your kids, but you sure you're not playing around. See, what ain't your fault, and I'm out.